Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, January 6th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you doing today?
Hi, David. I am okay, thank you. Just a little tired.
Me too. I need this coffee. Is the machine working?
Yes, it is working. It is just very slow today.
Typical. Everything is slow in this office except the emails. I have 50 new emails already.
Wow, 50 emails? That is a lot for the morning.
I know, sales never stop. How is your project going?
It is going well. We are busy, but we are on time. I like it when things are organized.
You are always organized, Alex. I am not. My desk is a mess.
A clean desk helps you think, David. You should try it.
Maybe later. Right now, I only think about coffee and money.
Money? Why are you thinking about money so early?
Did you read the news? I saw an article in the New York Times yesterday.
Which one? There is a lot of news this week.
The article from January 3, 2026. It is about cash.
Oh, I think I know it. Is it about the new limit on cash payments?
Yes, the US and Europe want to ban cash for payments over $50.
That is the one. They say it is to stop crime and illegal business.
I know, but $50 is a small amount. If I want to buy a nice dinner, I cannot use cash.
I understand. It feels strange. But David, do you carry cash usually?
Sometimes, I like to have $100 in my pocket. It feels real.
I almost never use cash. I use my card or my phone for everything.
But it is about privacy, Alex. If I pay with a card, the bank knows everything.
That is true. The article says many people are angry about privacy. It is a big debate.
It is very controversial. As a salesperson, I like cash. Cash is fast.
But digital payments are safer. You cannot lose the money.
Maybe. But I think the government just wants to control our wallets.
It is possible. Economics is changing fast. We have to adapt.
I guess so. But I will miss my paper money. Speaking of money, are you hungry?
A little bit. Why?
I am thinking about lunch. I want a big burger today.
A burger? That sounds good, but it is going to be expensive.
Why? The cafeteria is cheap.
Not anymore. Did you see the article in USA Today?
No, what happened now?
It was published on January 4, 2026. There is a new tax on meat.
A tax on meat. You are joking.
I am serious. It is a 20% tax on beef and pork.
20%? That is crazy. Why are they doing that?
It is for the climate. They say cows produce too much gas and use too much water.
I know climate change is important, but 20% is a lot of money.
The article says it is the only way to change how people eat.
But I love burgers. I cannot eat salad every day.
It is hard. The article says restaurants are very unhappy. They are protesting.
Of course they are protesting. They will lose customers. I am unhappy too.
It is a difficult topic. We need to help the planet, but food is already expensive.
Exactly. My grocery bill is high. Now it will be higher.
Maybe we should eat chicken or fish. The tax is only for red meat.
Chicken is okay, but a good steak is special. This is sad news, Alex.
It is a big change for society. Culture is changing.
Well, I'm going to buy a burger today before the price goes up again.
Enjoy it. I brought a salad from home, so I am safe.
You are smart, always prepared.
I try to be. By the way, did you get any strange calls this morning?
No, why? I usually get 10 spam calls a day.
Maybe that will stop soon. I read something interesting in the Washington Post.
Really? Is it good news? I need good news.
I think it is good. It is from January 5, 2026. It is about AI.
Oh, technology news. What is the AI doing now?
There is a new law. AI assistants must identify themselves immediately.
What does that mean?
It means if a robot calls you, it must say, "I am a robot" in the first 5 seconds.
That is fantastic. I hate it when I talk to a machine and I do not know.
Me too. It is very confusing. Sometimes the voice sounds very real.
Yes. Last week I talked to a person for 2 minutes. Then I realized it was a computer.
That is exactly why they made the law. The article says it is about honesty.
I agree. If you were a robot, just tell me. do not lie.
But some tech companies are not happy. They say it ruins the experience.
I do not care about their experience. I care about my time.
The article says companies will pay a big fine if they do not follow the rule.
Good. I hope they pay $1 million. It is annoying.
It is a big change for the tech industry. They use AI for customer service a lot.
They need to hire real people, like me.
Imagine if you had an AI assistant for your sales calls.
No way. People buy from people. A robot cannot tell jokes like me.
That is true. Your jokes are unique.
Hey, my clients love my jokes. That is why I am the best.
You are funny, David. So we have no cash, expensive burgers, but honest robots.
What a strange week. The world is getting very complicated.
It is, but at least we have coffee.
Yes, the coffee is finally ready. Look at that cup.
It smells good. I really need this energy for my meeting.
What time is your meeting?
It is at 10 o'clock. I have 30 minutes to prepare.
You have plenty of time. Drink your coffee slowly.
I will, and you? Do you have meetings?
I have a call at 9:30. I hope it is a real person and not a robot.
Just ask them, are you a robot?
I will. It is the law now.
Well, the news is intense this week. Politics, environment, technology.
It is never boring. I wonder what will happen next week.
Let's survive this week first. One day at a time.
You are right. One coffee at a time.
Exactly. Well, David, I should go back to my desk.
Me too. Those 50 emails are waiting for me.
Good luck with your emails. And enjoy your expensive burger.
Thanks, Alex. Good luck with your project. See you later.
See you, David. Have a good morning.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.